Well, as some of you will know, it's Tracy's birthday today. And what do you get the woman that's got a Chateau? Well, we decided to partner up with Hitway, and we've got an amazing electric bike. Now, we love going out on the bikes. We've got the Voir Vert at the back. It's just a beautiful place to get out and about. And the problem is, Tracy's favourite colour is pink. Hitway have got a pink bike, so we're working with them today. So I'm going to put this together and we'll go and surprise Tracy with her new birthday present. I'm looking forward to it. Well, where we are here, it's very hilly, it's up and down terrain. So the reason we've gone with Hitway is it's an electrical bike. So it means it gives Tracy the power to be able to get up and down the hills. Now, going to Pré-en-Pie is brilliant because it's all downhill, but coming back, yeah, it's a bit of a hard work. So with an e-bike, at least it'll make it nice and easy, and Tracy can get out and about more often. So let's start putting this together. Another great feature about this bike is it's foldable. Now, Tracy's only got a little car, so this means that if her and Jonathan want to go out for the day, she can fold this up, pop it in the back of the car, and they can just zip off anywhere and just enjoy the day and go out on their bikes. So let's have a look. Let's see how it goes together. Well, I already love this bike. Look at this. I love tools. You know me. I love tools, love gadgets, love anything that makes life easier. And it's come with this amazing little toolkit. Now, we've got other e-bikes and none of them have come with these little things. So it's even like a little ratchet and socket set, look. Just in a little like Swiss Army knife, and it just works. It's brilliant. It also comes with bike pump. Again, nice and neat and tidy. And it's the only one of our bikes that have come with a bike lock, so we can lock them all together now. So superb. And it also looks like it is the comfiest seat in the world. Look how padded that is. Tracy's going to love it. So let's get the rest of it put together. Well, that was really easy. It's literally took us no more than half an hour to get this fully assembled and ready to go. Now, a couple of the features on this bike, because it is a really cool piece of little kit. So it's got the multi-view LCD display, so it shows you your speed, it shows you your average speed, it shows the distance you've travelled. Front and rear lights, now really important, especially at night round here. So really bright front light and a really bright backlight, which I haven't seen on the e-bikes before. So that's really cool. It's a really comfy bike as well. We've been messing about and sitting on it. So it's got the front suspension on the seat, absolutely wonderful. And it is the thickest bike seat I think I've ever seen. So Tracy's going to love it. It's going to be nice and comfortable. It's got the 7-speed Shimano gears. Again, great for getting up and down the terrains that we've got here. And it's got the disc braking as well, which means we can stop reliably. So these things can go quite fast. So at least we know we can stop and be safe when we're doing it as well. So, well, on a full charge, this can do between 35 and 90 kilometers. So depending on how much you need to use the electric side of it, it'll do like quite a distance. So 90 kilometers, it's huge. It's like all the way to Arlington and back like 2-3 times for us. And on top of that, if you're using it for a daily commute around town, again, ideal with it being foldable, it goes into small spaces, but it don't take 6 to 7 hours to charge overnight. Now, ideal, it means you'll get your full range each day. You can charge it up overnight and it's superb. So Tracy hasn't seen it yet. She has no idea. So let's go and see what she thinks of her new birthday present. Happy birthday to you. It's a new bike.
Thank you.
It's like getting a new car.
It is. And it's pink.
I know. It's the one company we'll get a nice pink one for you.
It's lovely.
And it's superb. It's lovely.
Mm-hmm.
And so with all there's a couple of extra little features that we haven't discussed yet. So it's got a security lock. She's got keys so that when we go out, when you park it up at the bar, you can take your keys out. The mud guards on it again,
Yeah.
like we get covered on mine, don't
Yeah,
we?
they're a necessity. Absolutely. Yep.
So Tracy can go out in her nice clothes.
Mm-hmm.
You can
And
go
not
for a
get
bike
muddy.
ride and not be completely covered in mud.
Yep.
So there we go. I'll let you give it a blast.
Yeah. Turned on.
I'll soon tell you. So we've set Tracy off and she's happy. So she's got her birthday present. So check out Hitway. We're going to go out for a ride on the bikes this afternoon. So check out Hitway. They've got some amazing sales on, and it is genuinely probably one of the most impressive bikes that we have now.
Yep.
It's
I love
lovely.
it.
The technology is getting better and better. So check them out. Check the link in the description. Let's get out on our bikes.
Let's get going.
Come on then.